Hey, what's up? This is KA's for General Graphics channel, and now I want to introduce about Adobe Premiere Pro tools, the very important program in video editing, audio editing. So let's start Adobe Premiere Pro. Open Premiere and then create a new project and name your project name is you're working for which company. You're working in Premiere for which program. Top 10. So if you have graphics card GPU acceleration, then select render engine, video rendering or playback supported by GPU. If you have not graphics card, then select software only and then press OK. Okay, double click or Control I for import your video. Here I have a video for importing TVC final DW and drop on timeline empty sequence. There is the video and there is the sequence monitor. Change the quality and then okay, down the volume, rate 17. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, the most important things in Premiere know about tools, but you must save the shortcuts. Like selection shortcut is V for moving your clip up, down, in which tracks. If you want to select single just audio or video, right click, unlink. This is video and this is audio. And now if you want to cut, there we have razor tool. Shortcut is C. Cut the audio like this. You can move the first clip. You can move all. If you want to move 2 clips, 3 clips in one track, then what is the next two? Track select forward. What is the shortcut? A. Select your clips, move. If you want to move backward, select your clips, move backwards. Okay, select again the empty place, delete. Okay, the another one is ripple edit. You can cut your video like this, your audio like this. There is the rolling edit. Rolling edit, you can control your first clip end scene and the next clip startup scene. By which tool? By rolling edit. Look, selection tool, delete this one clip and delete the empty place, and this is the rolling tool. Press plus for zooming and select between 2 clips and move. Look, this changes the first monitor. I mean the left monitor is the first clip is end scene you want to set. What is your first clip? This one is your first clip. This one, this is your next clip. First, second. By rolling tool you can set or control the first clip is end scene and the next clip is the startup scene like this. Okay, I want to set the first clip end scene ends from the car in 3ds Max and the next clip start from myself. Okay, now play. This is the first clip. ended by car, and the next clip start by me. Okay, rate stretch for controlling your speed duration. Like what? Select this clip, press Ctrl K for cut, and go to end of this clip, compress the clip, then play. Look, so fast. This is too fast. You can fast this clip too. Play now. Press Ctrl Z. If audio and video, this both will turn on the link, and now change the speed duration by rate stretch. Play. Okay, what is the next? Razor tool just for cutting your video. And what is the next? Select tool, you can control your clip start and end scene. This is the clip. Look, this is the clip. What is the start scene? From monitor. What is the end scene? From this vector character. And now by select tool, you can control the start and end scene like this. Okay, I want to set this scene, this time, this seconds. When this clip is start from course title, and this end scene of this clip in that by in studio. Now play. Start from course title, and the end scene is there. Okay, this is the slide tool. Slide tool work like this. You want to cut this video, don't cut. Select your next clip and move left. Your first clip is cut it. Okay, this is pen tool. The pen tool work. The pen tool have multi works, like mask your screen monitor and go back to effect control, then select the fill and select eyedropper tool. This is mask it. And the second work, double click audio layer and press plus for zoom in. Click on line for creating the points. You can control the volume of video like this. The audio volume you can control by pen, and this is the shapes, rectangle, ellipse. You can draw shapes like this, and you can control in effect control, turn off the fill, turn on the stroke, and change the color in red like this, and delete the layer again. Okay, this is the another one, hand and zoom. You can zoom your sequence, you can move by hand. What is the hand shortcut? H. And you can control the screen by hand like this. Zoom your screen and then move fit. And this is the title. You can type horizontal, vertical type. Select, click, and wait. Type your title. Premiere Tools. Premiere Tools. Okay, move your title there, and this is the layer of title. Press Ctrl plus D for dissolve. Play. This is your title, and this is the end. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget for supporting our channel, like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and share the video tutorials. Good luck.